Jesus said, "Ye shall receive power after the Holy Spirit comes upon you, and then you will be my witnesses." So when the Holy Spirit was poured out on all flesh on the day of Pentecost, it was with purpose. That event empowered the initial followers of Jesus to be His witnesses, martyrs if necessary. Their example resonates through the ages and touches our lives today. Now, Spirit-empowered Christianity has become the fastest-growing Christian movement on earth. Within the next decade, more than half of all Christians in the world will be Spirit-empowered. In some countries, over 2/3 of evangelical Christians are already Spirit-filled. Recognizing this explosive growth, Empowered 21 was formed to serve the future of this movement and directly address its needs by bringing leaders, scholars, and next-generation voices together in unprecedented ways. A global council of esteemed international Christian leaders has been assembled to oversee these efforts, along with 11 regional leadership teams formed to bring unity and focus on critical issues within the context of their region. In many cases, Empowered 21 regional cabinets mark the first time leaders of the Spirit-filled movement have ever cooperated at this level within their region. For youth leaders, Engine 21 was formed as the first ever international network, specifically connecting next-generation youth ministry leaders. This global network will provide a place to access resources, connect with one another, and unite voices for preaching Jesus to this generation. The possibilities are boundless. The next steps are critical. Global events are providing elevated platforms to focus on issues facing the Spirit-empowered church, including leadership integrity, social activism, suffering, prosperity, healing, and Spirit baptism. Issues critical to the movement and important to the next generation. Empowered 21 also seeks to connect multiple generations for blessing and impartation, because the power of the Holy Spirit must be caught by each successive generation. To this end, we are discovering new language, identifying local giftings, and developing unity across ministry and generational divides. Every day, additional voices are speaking out and new resources are coming online to educate and encourage Spirit-empowered living, including a focused effort to reclaim the day of Pentecost as a day of Holy Spirit celebration within the local church. Pastors around the world are committing to focus their teaching and preaching toward helping this generation experience the Holy Spirit. For the earth shall be filled with the knowledge of the glory of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. We, like the Spirit-empowered saints at Pentecost, labor toward this end, so that every person on earth would encounter the power and presence of the living God by the Holy Spirit, and know His Son, Jesus Christ.